Hey, my chickadees. Welcome back to the Back 40. Okay, we have our week 38 for our Margaret Miller challenge. Now, this says something found in the kitchen, a color that reminds you of summer, a book page, something with holes, a musical instrument, and a bonus any kind of tag. Okay, so, I just kind of took it literally. We have a little bit of glue. Okay, so we have a color that reminds us of summer, and I do this bright yellow because that just kind of reminds me of the sunshine in the summertime. And then our book page, and I use one of my Braille book pages. Again, thank you, Mr. Kara. And I'm not going to remember where I had any of this put. So we're just going to put it down. And y'all, I took a nap today, early this afternoon, right after lunch. And I told the boys and my hubby boo, wake me up. Don't let me sleep long. I just need about an hour nap. Apparently they want this old woman to sleep because nobody in the house woke me up. And I slept all day. And that looks like that needs just a little bit more inking. Okay, my thing in the kitchen is the iPad, because now nobody has receipt books and stuff. They just use their iPad to Google stuff. So I got the iPad sitting up like they fixing to find a receipt. And while they cooking, they're listening to this here that has holes all in it, because the media and stuff. We're not gonna get into it too much because I ain't too political or nothing, but they've been having lots of issues, all these little networks. So our thing that has a hole in it. Is our network news. Cause all of them been in a little bit of trouble lately with the political stuff, and the political stuff seem to have holes all in it too. Nobody can keep their story straight. Okay. I was debating, so I'm gonna put it right down here whether I should add this or not. I wasn't liking it, but I'm gonna add it anyway. So if that doesn't suit your fancy, then you forget what I said. And the thing that has the holes in it is this wallpaper behind here. And the thing you also find in the kitchen, if suiting your fancy with the iPad doesn't work for you, we got us some Delta Blues rice, brown rice. And I got a little violin here for the instrument. Whoops, somehow or another I missed that whole little spot. And I just slid this across the world. Look what I did! Oh no! There we go. All fixed. If I don't stop moving it, it will be fixed. Now, so violin don't want to glue down. Maybe I got too much glue on my fingers now. And the tag, I actually took that luckily and made me a little tag. Cause, you know, I was in the mood to do something. Play a little bit. So, my tag is this cute little tag right here I made out of a playing card that we will clip on across the little bellies. And I took some little scraps from the ribbon here, lace up there, and the book page, and a little piece of little painting tissue, and glued the top on the there. So there we have it. It is something found in the kitchen, a color that reminds you of summer, a book page, something with holes, a musical instrument, and a bonus any kind of tag. So there we have our page for week 38. And I'm going to take this and slide right up under the tag for a holder. Well, you know, I could put it behind the tag. Let's glue it on the tag, on the back of the tag. Let's just cut around it. That would be cute. Make a little funky cut. Funky cool Medina. Alright. I'm going to do it this way. Let's ink around it. Gotta have my ink. Even if it's just a little bit. Okay. Oops. Okay. Now, there we go. And that'll slide right in there. And that is done. As my friends say, Bob's your uncle. All right. See y'all on the next go. Bye.